Okay, so I have another one here. The customer sent it in, and he's complaining that this does not finish the update process. So I got my key here, and let's try to install. And we always have to verify the problem, and over here we can see that it's SU101312.8. Something went wrong, and we know this code is because of the drive. Let's take this thing apart and see what's happening. Ah, okay, this is a non-working drive here. Something is wrong with this drive. We gotta disassemble everything. Oh god, look at this. Whoever installed this is some weird funky shit. This was messed with great. Yep, the flex cable is not installed here properly. Let's install that and test it. We might need a new flex here. It's ripped apart. Alright, well, it does turn on the system, but it doesn't take the disc in. Okay, we get a different error now. It's 10.16.12. Multiple USB devices are connected. This is a serious issue. I'm just gonna try the back USB for now. Let's see what happens. It says, please wait, let's see. Yeah, boom, we have a serious problem. So here is my reverse diagnosis of what happened. This is a customer that tried to fix their own system. It was giving them that error originally. They opened up the system. They messed up their drive. They got a drive error. And now they have a complicated issue with their system, and the original problem is the multiple USBs connected. We get these customers all the time that tell us, oh no, it's just the drive that's not working. I'm not sure, maybe about 2 years ago, the whole community reached the conclusion that this error right here is not repairable because the APU has burnt. I think we all traced the USB ports. And the actual hardware connects directly to the APU. Hey, here, check it out. This is a donor board, and these are the USBs, and they go directly into the APU here. And the front USB ports also go directly to the APU. This one is a no fix, boys.